Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Someone came to bring this thing to our table. He said the husband she married 10 years ago, today is no longer her husband. This man pursue everything on skirts. That's number one thing. And that is the reason why we go into talking about cheating. Why men cheat. Then number two, he said this man is a woman beater, beats her. That is number two reason. Then number three, it's hard for this man to bring money in the house. Hello, my sister. This, with all these things, she says she don't want to leave her marriage. She want to stay in her marriage and she wants us to advise her. Sister, I will advise you. Why will I advise you? I'm an experienced mother. Even all these things you said, but you say the woman is a beater, though he doesn't beat you much. That whenever you talk to him, you want to correct him, that's when he's beating you. Okay, so let me start answering from number two, beating. Why men beat women? Number one thing, reason why men beat women is because of the way the woman responds to an answer. The way you give your answer, the way you speak to your man can make the man beat you all the time. It have happened to me. When I got married, I don't know how to talk to my husband. I talk to him anyhow. Yes, so that correction should be from you. If you don't want your husband to beat you, don't talk to him anyhow. I'm not supporting a man beating you so that you will not come after my video. You will not come after me. I didn't support that the man should beat you, but I say some women mouths, they make their organ, they beat them. Some men, they are beating their wives because of they have taken some things. Either if the man is under alcohol or drug, baba also go back to your papa house. You know, go fit stop him. Go continue to beat you. That one, you didn't do anything. So once he smoke or drink, that thing is the thing that is telling him what to do. Then for cheating, this is one thing I want to tell you. For cheating, that man have been cheating. He cheat with everyone. You are the one who will check the rate of this cheating. Cheating is not an excuse for a woman to come out of marriage. It's not something you can do. But some women comes out from the marriage because of cheating. But I said, cheating is something that you can deal with. You can deal with cheating. You can stop your man from cheating. But you give him time. Don't think that you just tell him you don't like him cheating. The things you don't like cheating. You don't like beating. So he will just stop it. No. Give him a lot of time. Give him a lot of time. Sometimes if you're someone who will have patience, teach him that whenever he want to cheat on you outside, let him protect himself. Apart from him protecting himself, it's really painful when a woman know that a husband is cheating, or a man know that a wife is cheating and they are still living together. If you know you cannot stay with him, you will be thinking in your mind, you want to kill him, you want to buy him, you want to do this one. Pack your load and go. Please, pack your load and go. Number three, he doesn't really give you money. It's like you cry before he give you money for food. Darling, if you have 2 kids, stop giving birth now. Go and learn something and start with your own. Let me tell you, when you are doing something, a man respects you. When you have something due on your own, you can take good care of yourself, take good care of at least your 1 kid or 2 kids. I'm telling you, you will have respect.